Well, we got a call from some folks, and they lived in a double-wide mobile home. Now, granted, it was the nicest double-wide mobile home I've ever seen in my life. It had 2x6 exterior walls. It had wood siding and was very rustically designed on the inside. Looked more like a mountain cabin than a mobile home, but their idea was that over the master bedroom and master bath, they wanted a roof that looked, more like a chalet. And so they wanted to know if we could come in, cut the roof off their mobile home, put a steeper roof on it, add 4 feet to the end, and a porch. And so there we are digging the footings for the 4-foot extension. We brought the crane in. We cut the roof off the existing home in sections, lifted them off with the crane. This is a picture of the inside after we got it done with the wood paneling, the hickory flooring and the wood ceiling, very, very rustic, handmade doors with clinched over nails, and the finished product with a balcony over the porch. The homeowner came to me after we got started, and he said, there's a lot of wasted space over this porch. You don't suppose that you could put a balcony up there, because they had a really nice view of a pond and the woods beyond. And I said, well, let me do a little thinking on that. And so this is the end result with the balcony over the porch. It's got the cable rails so that the view is not obstructed. The railing on that top porch is a live edge slab of cedar. Turned out really, really nice, I think. There's another view. And over here on the right is the spiral staircase, which leads up to the door out onto the balcony over the porch. So I think this project turned out really well. One of the things I like to do when I'm working with clients, if there's a way for me to produce for you what you want to do, I'll figure out a way to do it. A lot of times people will ask for things that are outside of what's typical, what's ordinary, and I love doing projects that are not typical and not ordinary. This is the bathroom, the rustic vanity, the vessel sinks, the stand-up shower, and the freestanding tub.